Hello and welcome to the 3-day weather forecast. The sudden surge in moisture from the Atlantic Ocean further inland towards the northern parts of the country leaves most parts of the country with high prospects for rainfall, especially over the northern parts. And so for these conditions, there are higher prospects for thunderstorms over the northern states of Kaduna, Jos, Jalingo, and also Yola in Adamawa State. There are also prospects for rainfall around the FCT, Abuja, and parts of Niger State. Over the southern parts of the country, prospects are high for thunderstorms over Ibadan in the southwestern part of the country, Akure in Ondo State, and also Ikeja in Lagos State. Enugu is also expected to experience some thunderstorms. Temperatures are expected to reach 42 degrees Celsius over Nguru, 40 over Potiskum, 41 over Meduguri, and 35 degrees Celsius over Sokoto. Abuja is expected to experience temperatures of 33 degrees Celsius, while the southern parts of the country are expected to experience temperatures ranging from 28 degrees Celsius over Ibadan to about 31 degrees Celsius in Ikom. Warri, however, is expected to be 29 degrees Celsius. For air quality forecast, most parts of the country, as we'll see in yellow, extending from the northern part of Meduguri down to the southern parts of Cross River and River State, as well as the southwestern parts, are expected to have good air quality in moderate air quality index, which does not pose any threat to health of persons living in most places of Nigeria. However, a few places in the north, like Guzo, Kano, Katsina, Zaria, and also Yelwa areas, are expected to have air quality that is still considered unhealthy only for sensitive group of persons, most likely from local dust rays as a result of thunderstorm activities. By Saturday, there are still high prospects for thunderstorms over Kano, over Kaduna, over Jos, and also parts of Jalingo in Taraba State and Yola in Adamawa State. Gombe is also expected to experience some thunderstorms, while the southern parts of the country also have high prospects for thunderstorms over Enugu, Port Harcourt, and also Ikom in Cross River State. We also expect thunderstorms to affect part of Benin, Warri, and also Ikeja and Ibadan in the southwestern parts of the country. Temperatures in the south are expected to increase slightly and reach 32 degrees Celsius over Benin, over Warri and Enugu, and also Ikom and Port Harcourt, and 30 degrees Celsius over Ibadan and Akure in Ondo State. For the northern parts of the country, we expect to see temperatures range between 30 degrees Celsius over Kaduna and Jos to about 39 degrees Celsius over Potiskum and 42 over Nguru. Sokoto is expected to be 36 degrees Celsius and Katsina 37 degrees Celsius. For air quality forecast on this day, most parts of the country are still expected to maintain good air quality, especially over the northern and southern parts of the country. However, a few places in the north, Duse, Nguru, Potiskum, and parts of China expected to still have air quality that is likely to be unhealthy only for sensitive group of persons. While Oka and also parts of Imo State are also expected to have air quality that is considered unhealthy for sensitive group of persons only. By Sunday, there are still high prospects for thunderstorms in Kaduna, Jos, Gombe, Jalingo, and Yola in Adamawa State, while Sokoto is expected to be partly cloudy. Yelwa also has high prospects for thunderstorms, as well as Kaduna and the part of FCT, Abuja. The southern parts of the country are also expected to experience some thunderstorms over Enugu, Ikom, Port Harcourt, Warri, Benin, and also part of Ibadan and Lagos states. Temperature are expected to further increase slightly over the southern parts of the country consistently for 3 days from Friday through Saturday and to Sunday. We expect a consistent increase in temperature over the southern parts of the country. And on Sunday, we expect temperatures to reach 35 degrees Celsius over Warri and 34 over Ikeja and Benin in Edo State. Enugu is expected to be 33 degrees Celsius, while Lokoja is expected to be 34 degrees Celsius. Over the northern parts of the country, Potiskum and Maiduguri are expected to experience temperatures of 38 degrees Celsius, as well as Kano, while Yelwa and Sokoto are expected to experience temperatures of 37 degrees Celsius. For our air quality forecast on this day, most parts of the country, as it has been the case from Friday through Saturday to Sunday, are expected to maintain good air quality over most parts that appear in yellow. However, a few places in the north, Kano, Katsina, Guzo, and also part of Zaria and Yelwa areas are expected to have air quality that is considered unhealthy only for sensitive group of persons. Over the south, Oka and Owerri are also expected to have air quality that is considered unhealthy only for sensitive group of persons. This is where we'll conclude our 3-day weather forecast. Thanks for watching and see you again. I remain Paul Ugbah.